我哋接受專業嘅培訓，掌握嚟自喺普通法司法管轄區裏邊嘅調解理論、技能同埋最佳嘅實踐經驗。我哋熟知國際調解嘅準則，將呢啲嘅規範靈活應用，配合國內嘅社會特色，打造獨有嘅大灣區商事調解。我覺得大灣區嘅調解員咧有3個使命。喺政策方面，我哋可以喺區內拓展專業性嘅商事調解，完善國家喺糾紛多元化解嘅工作。喺司法對接嘅方面咧，可以促進調解員、獨立嘅調解員同埋法院之間嘅協作，推動縱調對接嘅機制，積極解決調解協議效力嘅限制。喺行業方面，我哋可以促進超越知識嘅交流同埋技能嘅培訓，提高具有中國特色嘅調解標準。It is very pleasing to see that the DOJ has already took the lead to standardize best practices and mediation rules. That is the first starting point for us to go beyond merely cultural exchanges between mediators from different sectors and regions. There are 146 mediators from 3 regions. Through working together, we'll be able to harmonize our differences to pursue the same goal, that is harmonious dispute resolution in mediation.